So hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today I have built an automation on n8n where you can see the workflow on the screen, and this workflow basically works on AI email auto reply. Like the response, if you get any email received in your inbox and you have set that trigger word, like suppose you are setting a trigger word like new order or inquiry, then suppose you get any email with this word, then this workflow will trigger, and in the end you will craft a draft email which you can check it out by your own before replying it back to the sender. So let's see how we have to build this workflow. So first is the Gmail trigger key. Here you have to just authenticate your Gmail, and that's all in this step. And after that we will have to like define a classifier, whether like I have told you just now, like the trigger word. So I have decided here two trigger words, one is order and one is inquiry. So and text to classify here will be the snippet of the email, like which will be the body of the email. So this is the email body which I have drag and drop here. And for the description I have given in the command, like when an email comes with the name new order, it will separate it. And the second category is inquiry. If any email includes words like inquiry or customer is asking some question, then this category will trigger. And we have to attach like chat model to this text classifier with whom it can like differentiate it. So you can use any chat models. I have used OpenAI chat model here. And like this is a dummy setup, so it is using an n8n connect, like free credit which we get if we connect, like if it is a new n8n account. And for the model we are using GPT-40 mini. So this is the model which is used, like it will take minimum amounts of token, and it will also generate like very much good response. So that's why people in the industry use GPT-40 mini. After that, like which I have told you right now, just let me zoom a bit. So I have like categorized it into two parts, order and inquiry. And after that we have to like set up a model from which the message will come, and it will get transcribed and it will create a draft Gmail in the end. So the first is we will add a message model, and for that we are using OpenAI, which I have told you just now. And after that we will set it up, and the source will be text, operation will be message from model, and model will be using GPT-40 mini. And this will the text, and the role will be system, because it will totally depend on the mail which you will be getting in your inbox. So it will differ from time to time, so that's why we have selected system here. And the prompt will be like, I will show you the prompt, just a second. So this is the prompt: you are a professional copywriter and my personal Gmail assistant. This you can develop it from ChatGPT. I have also used from ChatGPT for making this video. And you will get the total command from the ChatGPT. You can just copy paste that here. And after that we will simplify the output, and we'll close this. And after that we will have to add one code in JavaScript, because the text format you can see here, like I was like using this before the video. I can show you just a second. So here the text you can see here, the subject line and the body is coming in one text size only. So that's why we have to use this code, so that it will differentiate the email into subject line and body email response. So that's why we have to use code here. And after that we have to connect our Gmail, and we have to create a draft from where we can check it out the response which is going to be generated from OpenAI, and we can cross check it before sending it back to the sender from whom we have received the email in our inbox. And here you will have to map it out, like subject will be JSON subject and message will be JSON body. So this is the total workflow. Now we will test it out live. So like I have made two types. So I will write a dummy email from for order. So let's go to ChatGPT. I was doing it for the inquiry before the video. So we will type it here and we will write new order as the trigger word and we will send it. We will wait for ChatGPT response. Okay. So this is the subject line. Then we will go to the Gmail and we will compose a mail, and subject line will be this, and this is the body. We'll copy paste it here, and the Gmail on which you want to set the trigger, you will choose that, and I put the here. Okay, got it. So we will send it and we will wait for email to be received on the mail which we have implemented this workflow. As soon as we will receive the email, then we will execute the workflow and I will show you live demo. See, I have received the email. So let's go back to the workflow and we'll execute the workflow. See the lining green line, it is coming on the upper side because we have used the trigger word as ordered in this video for this video, and therefore the response you are seeing here from Gmail, OpenAI, text classifier to upper part, the order part, message a model, code in JavaScript, create a draft. So we will now head back to our Gmail and we will move to the draft part. We'll and press refresh. See the time is 5:15 and our draft email is been made. So this is the subject line, confirmation of order. Dear team, thank you for notification regarding my order for the smart fitness was blah 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 blah. That's how you can use AI and workflow to automate your business, and you can bring your business into the automation world. So if you want to try this workflow, I will attach the JSON file in this video description, then you can download it, or you can message me or DM me. I will drop you the JSON file format, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you are someone who is looking to implement these things in your business, then you can reach out to me. I will drop down the calendar link also if you wanna hang up over a call, and we will discuss how I can help you with in your business. So that's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.